Before we start, I would want to go ahead and ask you guys to hit that red subscribe button on your screen so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Luxurious Life. What are the world's best concierge companies? Like other industries, building a solid branch presence in the luxury concierge space is a monumental undertaking at best. Couple that with the necessity to deliver true value to consumers that are used to getting what they want when they want it, and it almost spells out a recipe for disaster. Now for that particular reason, becoming a go-to name in the luxury concierge service space is filled with strife and ripe with challenges. Yet, to the victors go the spoils, because some of the world's best concierges are reaping the benefits and enjoying the sweet equity that involves demanding and expecting more from yourself each day than you expected the day before. That's most certainly how champions are created. Originally launched in 2000 in the heart of the United Kingdom in London, the Quintessentially group is one of the world's foremost luxury concierge services with offices in 63 cities around the world and 33 sister companies that provide an intricate network of access to the world's most exclusive brands and experiences. The brainchild of co-founders Aaron Simpson, Ben Elliott, and Paul Drummond, the Quintessentially group's well-to-do and in-the-know global fixers provide an all-access pass to the elite looking for the preferential treatment and white-glove service in every aspect of entertainment, travel, and commerce. The winner of some of the world's most prestigious travel and concierge awards, such as Condé Nast Best Concierge Company and the leading hotels of the world's top producing agent and World Travels Awards, Europe's leading luxury lifestyle club, Quintessentially is no stranger to the so-called cream of the crop. Claire Kennedy started her journey in the luxury travel industry in 2002 while working for American Express Centurion in the United Kingdom, the purveyors of the so-called Black Card. Working her way up the ranks, she became Centurion's senior relationship manager, dealing with the highest value clients. However, it wasn't purely a business relationship that she formed with the company's card members. Many of them had actually become her highest esteemed friends. This became evident to Kennedy when she took a maternity leave from her job in 2012, and at the same time that two of her colleagues had decided to start their own venture called Knightsbridge Circle, which attracted some of the highest net worth individuals on the planet. Now in 2013, Kennedy joined Knightsbridge Circle, a team of highly devoted to providing the best travel services and experiences that money could afford, now bringing her with the strong relationships that she had developed from over a decade of service to some of the most elite clients from around the world. But it wasn't until 3 years later that she brought in a 50% partner. Now today she is the co-owner with its original founder, Stuart McNeil, in what is arguably the most exclusive concierge company on the planet. Today, Knightsbridge Circle caters to only a select group of clients that have an eye-watering average net worth of $800 million with an annual membership fee of approximately $25,000. However, don't expect to easily join this close-knit circle. This exclusive invitation-only concierge service has a long and illustrious waiting list. Founded in 2008 by David Alsman, the John Paul Group has become one of the pioneering leaders in concierge services to a global group of well-to-do clienteles and corporations. At the outset, like many of the other world's most powerful and successful concierges, the basis was a deep-rooted passion for service and hospitality, with a vision to enhance the lives of members by delivering the most trusted service on earth. With an average net worth of its members of approximately $1 million and an acquisition in July of 2016 from Actor Hotels, along with a prior merger with Les Concierges back in late of 2015, the Jean Paul Group has expanded its footprint to over 1,000 concierges based out of 12 separate hubs while operating on 5 different continents. The focus for the company has largely been on its priority behavioral profiling technology that gives its representatives an accurate snapshot of its members and their preferences, based on exhaustive algorithms that look into their likes, dislikes, and travel patterns. At any given moment, John Paul Group's well-devoted concierges can tailor a specific request based on this significantly great technology. What's most intriguing about this technology is that it actually provides an analytical data layer atop phone calls, emails, SMS, and other client communications to analyze and extract information about the member's preferences. The company has wrapped this proprietary system into a white-labeled program that they also use with some of the world's biggest corporations. Now, when it comes to putting through a request, Jean Paul's Group members have numerous options. Similar to other concierge services, members can use WhatsApp, SMS, WeChat, and other mobile apps and other technology to place their request and subsequently track their request directly with their assigned personal concierge. Now, during every point of contact, the system analyzes requests, helping to further evolve the member's profile. Now, this focus on the underlying technology has created the foundation for a business that has grown tremendously over the past decade, allowing it to tailor every specific request to the need of its members while being extremely proactive in the process. It has also enabled the company to deliver high-quality targeted email blasts, resulting in astronomical open rates and sales conversions. Founded in 2008 by Steve Ito, Pure Entertainment Group is a luxury lifestyle and concierge company based out of Montreal, Canada, catering to high-net-worth individuals. The company focuses on bespoke travel packages, luxurious lifestyle experience, and personalized concierge services for both private clients and corporations from around the world. The foundational mission at Pure has always been one that's focused on both value and quality in their delivery over quantity. They know that their clients are expecting the best of the best, and it's their job to get out of their way to not only ensure those demands are met, but also that they far exceed the expectations of even the most discerning clients. With members hailing from all points of the planet, they also believe in discretion and privacy, keeping their roster of clients close to their chest. And for those that are looking to join this elite membership group, expect to pay anywhere from $12,000 a year to upwards of $35,000 a year for just the membership alone. But that membership can certainly afford some pretty sweet privileges. Like other top concierge companies, Ito's Pure Entertainment Group has spent years and years developing close personal and business relationships and vetting companies and brands from around the world to ensure that they deliver the utmost value to their astute membership base. With an average net worth of $5 million and a typical spend per request of upwards of $30,000 over the years. That's all for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any future amazing videos from us. Thank you for watching and have a great day.